Hello Internet, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing the GoPro 7 and if it's still relevant in 2022. Now, I recently got monetized and I want to thank everybody for all of the follows and the subscriptions and all of the notifications that you guys do. And today I wanted to see if this camera is still good in 2022. So the following video you're going to see is my footage on my motorcycle. So it's kind of a double, if you will, a double review per se, because I'm still reviewing the motorcycle. I'm seeing how it handles. I've had it going on 3 months, but this camera, I've had it, I think this was the first one. Yeah, it was the first camera I bought for my YouTube channel, and I got this at around late 2019. So I've had it almost 3 years now. And I still use it, and it's still, you really can't tell. I'll be honest with you right now. I'll give you the review. I love the camera. There's nothing wrong with it. It's hard to see if anything's wrong with it. I mean, I think I do 1080p at 60 frames per second, and pretty much I do that on everything. It gives me more footage, longer footage, when I have an SD card that's kind of small, like a 32 gig or something like that. But in any case, I'll cut to the chase. I do like the camera. I do recommend you buy it. Of course, what I like is the price point. That's one thing I like about it, because it's cheaper now than the 11. And the second thing I like about it is that it's easy to use. One of the things I don't like about it is that when I need to change out the battery, I have to do it from the bottom. So this one, in order to do it, I have to get everything out through the bottom. So what that means is I got to get it out of the case and change the battery. So it's kind of annoying. I'm a tennis instructor, and when I play tennis tournaments, I like to record my matches, and I have to stop, take the battery out, Now, with the other one, with the 8, I have an 8. I don't have to do that. I can just open it up on the side. It doesn't even come with the case. The other one does, and I'll do a review on the 8 as well. But that one, I don't have to do that. As a matter of fact, let's check it out real quick. I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm back. So with the 8, this is the 8 I'm going to show you. This is the GoPro 8. You turn that to the side. Now this one, if I need to, say it's hanging on the fence or whatever, and I'm using it on my little clip here, and it's together that way, and I need to change the battery out, I just open this up on the side, and bada bing, there's the battery right there. As you can, I don't know if you can see right there. The battery comes out right there, and the SD card's right there as well. So this one, the 8's a little more convenient that way. And then plus these flip up. Look at that, hides out of the way. So if you want to set that somewhere, you can. This one does not. It's dedicated. It only works with the case itself. It's separate. Otherwise, it looks almost the same. Check it out. Bigger, smaller. The sides. But still, this video is about the 7. Check it out. Long story short, I do like it. Like I said, I like the price point. I like the size of it. I like how easy it is to use. All of the functions are pretty much the same as the 8. One big difference is, another thing I do like about this is interchangeable. If this breaks, I can take that off, send it off, get a new one for about $100. Whereas if you break this lens, you're done. You got to send in the whole camera to get it fixed. So that being said, check out the video. I hope you like it. Follow, subscribe, all that good stuff, notifications. Thank you for being here, guys. Check out the video. Hello, guys. I hope today finds everybody well. It's October 27, 2022. We are gonna go on a bike ride. Okay. Gotta get my helmet first. Let's get the helmet. All right, so let's turn this puppy on. This is my Honda 2007 1100 Sabre. Let's check it out. Look at that. If you haven't seen my other videos, I have a few videos on this motorcycle. I'm still kind of reviewing it because I've had it 2 months going on 3 months, and I have no complaints. Nothing to complain about yet. And this one's pretty simple to turn on. Oh, I left, look at that. I left my reserve gas on. Or I left the gas thing on. And just click that. Make sure it's in neutral. Let's check that green button there. This is on like it should. Let's turn the choke on. And she usually starts right away. Today I'm using the GoPro 7, the black GoPro 7. It has good stabilization, not as good as the 8, but I still love it. All right. Let's go. Testing. I've learned to kind of raise my voice when I speak. I do need the mic though. Just wave at the lady. She likes to wave. double review. That sounded like a trombone. Did you hear that, guys? I don't see why they think Jap cars sound good with mufflers. They don't. So here we're going to get on this and we're going to hit about 4 gears real quick. Should be about, when I say now, that's when I hit 60. GoPro 7. As far as a motorcycle, it's riding outstanding. Always stop, see if people stop. Man, too many school zones. Subscribe, like, follow, hit that notification. Really helps me out. Doesn't cost anything, and I really